short introduction as provided. Bharani Tours and Travels. So I'll give you a short introduction in the context of the founder. Sir, shall I give you? Shall I read through your entire introduction?
No, sir. Just a small introduction.
A small introduction? Okay, fine.
Yes.
So what I will do is I will just give a quick introduction in terms of Mr. Shaktivel and what he has meant for us in terms of the association. He represents the tourism, the travels and tourism industry within our group. He's been an effective contributor for the ESA Chennai chapter, though he is also a very active member in other organizations like BNI, etc. He has been instrumental in helping out from whether if it is on a specific event, I could say the conclave that we were able to pull off in September 2019. So much of the work he had handled. Even before that, when we had done our expo, there was so much of contribution from him just as a member. Now we know that his activities beyond ESA within his own travels community is pretty extensive. He's part of the Travels Community Association and has been contributing to promoting greater visibility and greater organization within their own community as well. Now, I'll just turn the mic over to him for him to make a presentation about his business, his company, and all the things that they are doing and things that we can benefit from by having an in-depth knowledge about Bharani Tours and Travels. Fine, sir, can you take over?
Yes, sir. Thank you for the wonderful introduction, sir. Can I share my PPT? Yeah. Good morning, friends. Hello. Am I audible? Yeah. Good morning, friends.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, friends. I'm Shaktivel from Bharani Tours and Travels. Yeah, my company, Bharani Tours and Travels, was started in the year 2000 for serving the localites for car rental needs. At that time, we were one among the 10 to 15 maximum travel agents in Chennai. And with our 20 years of experience, we have understood the exact expectations of the customers, thus providing the right choice of transportation to them. Right now, Bharani Tours and Travels, we are into two verticals of businesses, car rentals and tour packages. Yeah, I'll come to car rentals. Car rentals, we provide car rental services for individuals, corporates, weddings, events, bridal car services, and staff transportation. For individuals, we provide car rental for family outing, weekend trips, hourly packages, etc. And airport tickets, drops, we handle everything. And for corporates, we provide transportation for staff pickup drops. For on-call basis, we provide car rental solutions. Starting not only car rentals, we provide total logistics solutions. We provide all types of cars, starting from sedan to SUVs, coaches, 21 seaters, 25 seaters, 30 seaters coaches, 40, 45 seaters, Volvo buses, everything, etc. And for bridal car rental, we have strong connect providing bridal cars like Benz, Audi, Jaguar, Rolls-Royce, BMW, etc. at a very cost-effective price. And for staff transportation, right now we are vendors of HCL providing car rental for staff pickup and drops. And car rental, we provide transportation for colleges, schools also for their team outing, teachers one-day trip, everything. And tour packages. As far as tour packages, we are expertise in domestic and international. In international, I just divide my verticals into two, that is pilgrimage and leisure. In pilgrimage tour, we organize Shirdi Sai Baba packages every monthly by flight and train. And for Tirupati Balaji Darshan, we organize trips daily from Chennai to Chennai. And Sabarimala, every month we organize Sabarimala trip. These are the main pilgrim packages we organize, fixed departures. Apart from this, we also have long connects in North Indian pilgrimages tours, like Kasi, everything. Anyone are willing to gain knowledge about pilgrimage tour, everything, you can just call me. And leisure, we have strong connect across India. As a very much travel lover, I have explored lot of places across India. Most of the I might proudly say I have been to all the tourist destinations across South India. So I have the great knowledge of the destinations where I go. I learn more. I just invent. I just explore what are all their destinations. So it gave me immense pleasure. It gave me a lot of knowledge to provide my customers to the exact package. I customize. In short form, I myself call my memory architect. I just wanted to create memory of my customers. I just want memory. See, memories are the one which we can recollect in each and every one when we are there. So I have lot of knowledge of destinations. So providing tailor-made customized tour packages for each and every destination. And international destinations, I am strong enough in Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Dubai, and Thailand. I only focus in these 5 destinations where I have traveled a lot, and I have direct connects with these countries. So I can give a feel at home experience to my clients. We specialize in packages, not just online packages. We are tailor-made, we customize packages. We wanted the relationship. Starting from Chennai, coming back to Chennai, I am connected with my customers. So giving the trust, giving the wow factor to the customer, that they believe that always I am there with them to the entire tour process. And schools, colleges, and corporates, we provide vehicle rentals for colleges and corporates for day outing, one-day packages, incentive tours, MICE, and group tours. And car rentals, in car rentals, we are very much strong in handling destination weddings, conferences, and events. As you all event managers know, transportation is the most important part in any event or wedding. So we take that challenging part. We are the first host to receive the guests, anyone coming to any wedding or event. We give them feel at home. We give them wow factor. We just showcase ourselves as the host for them. As a destination weddings, we have handled a lot of destination weddings across Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Kadalur, and Bangalore. And we have strong connect across India. You want any transportation, any logistics helps across India. We are a member of a lot of associations like All India Car Rentals, etc. So we can provide you the right choice of transportation with the expert team. And bridal cars, we have lot more of variety of cars available from Benz E-Class to Rolls-Royce. We can provide at any time. We can come very cost-effective price. Across Chennai, we are very strong in providing bridal car rental, including decorations, everything. And another vertical is we provide acting drivers, we provide valet parking drivers, everybody across Chennai and Tamil Nadu. And domestic tours, I just wanted anyone to ask any question regarding domestic tour. If you are willing to ask anything, just type in the chat box. Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Okay.
Yes,
okay,
sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah. I myself take it away. The tour is the most important thing. It has to be designed from the day from the client to decide and after until they are coming back. So we have 20 years of experience when lot of transportation mode is not available, when lot of resorts are not available. We are excellent in providing homestays. We are excellent in providing tour packages in all categories. That is starting from budget to premium. Wherever across India you want to go to package tour at your budget, you can just contact me. We have lot of contacts. We have lot of properties tied up with us. Thus providing you wonderful feeling at any tourist destination across India. So this is a very hectic situation. All of us are locked down, but I am very much confident that we'll just boom back again when this lockdown is open. And we as a team will have a wonderful business. And That's all for me. Lastly, I just wanted to thank ESA Chennai chapter under the leadership of Mr. Santosh sir for giving me this wonderful presentation opportunity in this room full of entrepreneurs. And I conclude my presentation with one quote: "Knowledge and ice, ignorance and ice is better than knowledge and fire." By Dr. Arun Meisner. Thank you. Any questions you can ask me?
John, you can take it forward, John.
Yes, sir. Anyone who would like to ask a question, now is the time. It can be specific to Bharani sir's business and how you can better utilize his services.
Shakti sir, I have a question for your wedding cars. Do you have any visuals of a cars that you are supplying to for the weddings?
Right
Because
now,
you have not moved your slides. That's why I'm asking.
yes, sir.
You forgot to move your slides.
No,
Okay.
this is the way we organize destination weddings, sir. Destination weddings, transportation across India. This was a
Okay.
wedding handled in ECR.
Will you be able to get us vintage cars also if required?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I am able to get it. We can provide, sir.
Bharani sir, this is Wilfred here with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, we are a tour operator, so we also
Yes, sir.
take services, car rentals, and other things. So going
Okay.
forward, like see, there is definitely, like for example, we have our corporate basis.
Okay.
Let's take, I get you an account.
Yeah.
Okay, and because see, tomorrow there will be a lot of hygienic factors which will be added to usage of car rentals from now on.
Yes, sure.
So will you be able to tag it with us on our brand? And we do our product selling through our brand, but end of the day, servicing has to be done by you guys. So
Yeah,
will you protect us in that way?
Yeah, I can take it forward.
You can take it forward.
Yeah, sure. 100%.
No, because see, our interest of, I think what Santosh sir has initiated this is to how do we utilize our capabilities and make still money in the infrastructures and the services which are available and which is going to be used instantly. Because for us, the outbound tours would be a standstill for some time. So
Yes.
like to use those opportunities of yours in case we can tag it along. I think that's
Inbound, yes, sir. Sir, I can understand. In this situation, we have made clear what all way we have to improve ourselves. Once this situation is getting back, we have to follow some preventive measures. We have to follow we have to take extra care, educating our drivers and make available. Normally, we will be providing tissue paper, wet tissues, everything in our vehicles. But after this situation, it is mandatory to keep hand sanitizers and all our drivers to wear gloves. Like that, we have planned to do some how we are different and what we are going to give to the society. And I'm very much confident I can meet your requirements.
okay.
Shaktivel sir, this is Srinivasan.
Yes, sir.
What is the challenging part of your business? You handle the maximum number of cars for particular event, maybe the corporate or wedding, and we able to explain which part of.
Yes, sir. Thank you for reminding me about my success story. In January 27th to 1st of February, we had a very big wedding in Bangalore. And it was involved about 630 cars for all 5 days. It was the milestone in my career. Actually, we have already handled a maximum number of 120 cars for a wedding in Chennai, and maximum 230 cars for a doctor conference in Chennai. That was the maximum strength we handled. But in Bangalore, it is not my hometown. I was given a task to handle a wedding of a party group of companies. They are basically from Hyderabad. And I had an opportunity to work with India's leading wedding planner, Rakhi Kankaria, which involved about 630 vehicles for all 5 days, including premium cars. and all you as everybody know, Bangalore is the toughest part of as far as traffic is concerned, and we worked a lot with our team to understand the situation, the venue, the hotel stay where the guests are there. All five to six 5-star hotels has been blocked, and the marriage event was handled in palace grounds. And Joe, we gave a lot of training to our team because it was a new challenge for us. Because taking a wedding where it's not our hometown. We have interacted with the drivers who are not aware of Tamil or English maximum. We were able to identify our channel partners in Bangalore, and we took forwarded the wedding. In that wedding, all 3 days the Chief Minister of Karnataka attended the wedding. So I am at this moment, I am very much proud to tell that we were the main part of that wedding, and we got a testimonial from the client also. Thank you, Srinivasan sir, for reminding me my achievement.
Do you give the Volvo buses also for rental? Would you able to organize the biggest buses?
Yeah, I have already given for your clients. You have referred me Nadi. I have given Volvo and multi-axle Volvo too. We provide Volvo 40-seater and 50-seater multi-axle Volvo also we provide, sir. And apart from Volvo, we provide normal Ashok Leyland and AC buses also, 40 to 45-seater maximum. We can provide all type of AC buses with good quality and we meet the expectation of the customers. And thank you, Srinivasan sir, for the wonderful connect, Nadi at Technique.
Shakti sir,
Yes, sir.
you were saying that you manage rooms also. If I remember somewhere you was telling me.
Yes, sir. Hospitality.
Hospitality, correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you do that for conferences also?
Yes, 100% we do.
Okay, and what is your strength? It's on the 5-star level, or it's the entire?
Sir, we have handled the conference at Taj, Taj Kanimara and Hyatt maximum.
Correct. That is a standalone hotel. I'm saying multiple hotels. Do you handle rooms?
Yes, sir. Yes, 100% we handle.
Okay, so what is your strength? Are you an IATA registered organization, or you're just
No, we are not IATA registered, sir. IATA is 100% basically for flight ticket bookings, right?
only for flight tickets?
Yes. We are authorized. Tamil Nadu Government Tour Operator Association. We are authorized, and we have our own ticket booking portal also. We completely do end-to-end solutions, ticket booking also for our clients.
So even the hall booking you can help us out with if we come to you?
Yes, sir. With the venue booking also.
With the venue booking. So you get some special rates which you will share with us.
Yes, 100%.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other questions? Anybody?
Shaktil sir, which are the areas, maybe, not only Tamil Nadu, some other states you can support? What is your verticals there and connectivity, please?
It is regarding tour packages or car rentals?
It's a car rental.
Yes, car rentals also we can handle. As I told you before, we handled the wedding in Bangalore. It was possible because of our organization. Like ISA, like a proud member of ISA, we are proud member of AICR. AICR is All India Forum, All India Car Rental Organization. So we have more than 650 fleet owners across India, and we have a common price from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. So if you wanted to any car rental option to be handled at any part of India, I can just write and give the price also, and ensure that who is going to come for pick up everything I can manage. Before you step in there, I'll just have a clear clarity with the driver, the vehicle, everything, and make your travel wonderful. You can try with me, and we have direct connect with more than 650 fleet owners across India who are having their own fleet of vehicles, and we are member of AICR. So that is the main thing. I can tell you that we can handle any kind of weddings, conferences across India. You want any help, I just can write with the various vehicles.
Shakti sir.
Yes, sir.
I understand this entire business runs on networking for a car rental company. But just to understand, what is your inventory strength?
Inventory. Sir, I am having 28 vehicles in my own fleet, sir.
It's a mix of sedan and SUV or
Yes,
just
yes,
SUV?
yes. Sedan, SUV.
So how many
tempo
sedans
travel.
you have and how many SUVs you
I
have?
have 4 sedans, sir. Swift design, the Toyota Etios. I have Innova Crista, 3 Innova Cristas. I have 6 tempo travelers and 4 minibuses of 21 seaters.
Sorry,
And
you're not audible. Sorry, I didn't get that.
So I have 4. We have Toyota Etios, Innova Cristas, tempo travelers, and minibuses of 21 and 25 seaters, sir. All mix of 26, 28 vehicles we have right now.
Okay. So the rest you outsource through your network.
Yes, 100%. We identify our vendors, sir. We have clear inventory of not only our vehicles, we have clear inventory of vehicles with vendors, and we know what is the quality of vehicle we are going to source, who's the driver going to come. We just not source vehicle from outside, sir. We are very clear because the event is most important thing. The driver should have the knowledge to handle the situation. So before any event or wedding is going to happen, we conduct a meeting. We make the drivers who are going to be part of that event. We just conduct a meeting with them. We just make them understand what is the exact thing going to happen, and anything is going to happen. Our team is going to handle, and the drivers will be given the wonderful room to understand. So thus, we don't give any. The client has no need to call us for any crisis. If anything happens, also we have Plan B to immediately end with.
So just to understand now, when you say plan B, now for example, I'm booking 100 vehicles with you.
Yes, sir.
For example, now suddenly a couple of drivers are unable, they fall sick and they're not able to turn up. So
Yeah.
do you put in your vehicles or you request your network people to add in vehicles, or do you have standby vehicles of 4 or 5 that can support the system?
Yeah, so usually plan B happens because of the driver's character, the driver's physical maintenance, the vehicle breakdown, the traffic jam, all these criteria come under plan B. So we just first of all decide where is the location, pickup location, where is the venue, where is the event, everything. We have 20% of the vehicle spare. We have spare vehicles. We inform our vendors these are the spare vehicles, and we pay a nominal fare for that also, if not used also, because we just don't want to take risk, because it's all about time. No guest will be waiting at the airport more than 10 minutes, and no guest will be waiting at the railway station more than half that. So we understand that, and so we have plan B. I just told plan B doesn't occur only because of the illness of the driver. If a driver is not cooperative with us, if a driver is not satisfactory to me or my team, we immediately remove him from the list. We have our spare vehicles of the same quality to be inserted immediately. So that way we operate, sir.
Now, just to understand now, as a single man, you can't operate 100 cars, like supervise 100 car movement.
Yes.
How many supervisors you would put for managing? For example, I'm saying it could be even 50, 500 also. For 630 cars you mentioned for such a big wedding over 5 days, how many supervisors were managing this 630 cars? And what was your division? How did you manage this? Because one person cannot do this.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you for this question, sir. Sir, the entire wedding was happened in Palace grounds, and the Shangri-La, and including Shangri-La 7-star hotel, total 6 hotels were blocked. So in each hotel we provided 2 coordinators. Each hotel we provided 2 coordinators. In the airport there were 3 coordinators. In railway station, 2 railway stations there were 2 coordinators in each. And I was working with my transport manager at Shangri-La. I didn't take part in anything. I just educated my team. My team was about 25%, and my Bangalore partner, he was with this team of 12%. So they had complete plan of action, and they were in continuous meeting with the wedding planners at the Shangri-La also. So with my own team of 22 to 23%, I was able to handle this.
Sir, Madhu here from Stage 3.
Yes, sir.
So you said all these weddings which requires time management in a much more close monitoring manner. So do you use any kind of real-time tracking system like an app-based tracking system, or you just coordinate only over phones?
Yeah, only through, right now we are only through phones, sir. We are in the process of creating our own app. So it can be shared for the outsourced vehicles also. So in that manner, I'm just working with an app actually, and it will be once it is the situation is over, I'll drastically work on that app because even each and every event or wedding we handle, I just wanted to have real trackers, as you said. And as far as my vehicle is there, all my vehicles are GPS tracked. So I can I can track my vehicle live. Where is the vehicle? What is the current situation? Whether it is a dictation or whether it is stop, everything I can track. And also the outsourced vehicle also, I just maximum 40 to 50% of the outsourced vehicle are also GPS tracked. So at that time of event, I just ask them the user details, and if I am able to track lively also, I just do. But this situation didn't happen anywhere in Chennai because we were very comfortable with the phone. But in future, we are going for app that will be in more use for us.
So you need to have an app which has to integrate both your GPS
timings,
tracker
yes,
as well as the timing updates.
Yes, timing,
And also-
kilometers, where is the vehicle, everything. We have a lot of points. We have
And
just
also
more
it has to get integrated with your website also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the idea, sir. And we are working on it.
Anyone else? Any other questions? Questions can also be in Tamil.
Shaktivel sir,
Yes, sir.
what is your major proportion of business you have handled so far? Maybe the wedding or corporate. What is your strength?
Sir, in terms of value or in terms of volume?
In terms of volume, what is your strength? Which is your strength? Corporate event or wedding? What is your strength?
Wedding. As far as till now, if it's volume based, wedding was a huge event I have handled. And in corporate sector, we are strong enough to take for incentive tours across South India. We have handled 4-5 corporate tours with a strength of maximum 185 staffs. That is the maximum strength we have handled. 185 staffs for Munnar. For 4 nights, 5 days, we have handled end to end from Chennai to Chennai. We have handled. That is the corporate wedding. And in weddings, the Bangalore wedding was the huge wedding we have handled.
So there's a question here from Sridevi Mani. She's typed it in the message box. Are you able to see the question, or do you want me to read it out to you?
Yeah, please read it out.
Should I read it out?
Yeah.
Her question is, when we have residential conferences happening, we will have expats from Pan India as well as across the globe coming in. Just wanted to understand if your team will be able to liaise with flight arrivals, pairing the clients, flight delays, etc.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am, for the question. Yeah, as far as international delegates and Pan India delegates arriving, we had an experience of handling WB Connect. Wedding Vows Connect first edition in ECR, which was about the total number of attendees were about 400 attendees came, and we handled about 270 vehicles for 5 days. WB Connect edition, second edition was about to be launched in August in Cochin. We are the transport partner for that also, because due to this situation, the event was postponed. But in the first edition, we were able to handle complete transportation and hospitality for WB Connect, in which more than 20% of the event managers came from abroad. And all India's leading wedding planners came to that, and we were able to manage the 4 venues. We were the transport and hospitality partner for that wedding. And we have planned, we have team to take care of flight, rescheduling, arrival, delays, cancellation, everything. We share it in Google Sheets with our team. Everybody are updated immediately. And if any changes is there, we just update to our team and they handle it such a way that no problems come.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Still, sir. I mean, see, this is like, you know, when we have foreign nationals coming over to India or Chennai maybe for an event, will the drivers coming back to drivers, are the drivers capable of handling those foreign nationals? I'm asking about the language.
Yeah.
I mean, you can provide us with such things like drivers with maybe some Chinese language knowledge or something like that.
No, sir, no, not possible. Sir. All drivers handling international delegates will be in a perfect uniform, and they are very good in English.
I see.
And
So not
English, they are very much. They are not able to understand themselves. They are very much. They are very user friendly to be communicated with English, and they understand Hindi also.
No, we had a problem with Chinese case last year.
Yeah, I understand that. Just not to make promise. All our drivers, which we appoint for international delegates, they are of that standard.
Okay.
They are with English. They are comfortable with English. They can communicate very well in English.
Okay.
Other than Indian language, English, there are no drivers there available here.
Okay.
If you ask for guides, if you ask for tourist guides,
Yeah.
they are very well known in 3-4 languages, including Chinese you speak at.
Okay.
Because lot of tourists are right now coming from China. Before 2018, 2019, we were seeing lot of tourists coming from China. Before that, we didn't have an experience with Chinese tourists. Right now, they are coming because India is cost effective and we have lot of destinations very low less cost. That is the situation.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shaktivel sir, there's one more question.
Yes, sir.
This is from Mr. Solomon. His question is, how do you compare Bharani Travels with Praveen Travels when it comes to cost and the quality of vehicles?
Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful question, sir. Sir, we are suppliers to Praveen Travels also. If Praveen is handling a very big event, see, for example, if you book 100 Innovas with Praveen, their strength with Innova vehicle is only 10. Balance 90 vehicles, they have to outsource. See, they appoint Bharani Travels as the vendor and we take responsibility to provide complete 100 vehicles. This is behind the screen, so the host doesn't know what is happening. We know the quality, which quality, we provide the quality for our direct client, the same quality we provide to Praveen. We are vendors to Praveen also. We provide vehicles to Praveen also. All small category vehicles they don't have, and we are the vendors. Like Bharani Tours and Travels, they have 2-3 vendors, to be frank. And we are the major vendor as we have long relationship with them because Praveen is straight opposite to my office. Before their corporate office, we were in the same area and we have a very close relationship with Praveen. And as for the quality you asked, the same quality which Praveen is providing to his clients is the quality we are promising to our clients.
One frank question I want to ask you, Shaktivel sir.
Yes, sir.
As conference managers, wedding planners, event managers, we face one big problem is that when we outsource, the outsourced party or vendor or partner starts giving out their business cards to the client for hoping of repeat business. Does your organization do that? Because that is very, very important for us that this confidentiality is maintained, that business cards are not given out.
Sir, I believe in relationship business than business relationship.
See, there's an open question I'm asking you because.
Sir, I just want I thank you for asking this question to make me clear. Sir, I just believe in relationship business than business relationship. When an event manager or a wedding planner who is giving business to me, he is more important to me than the guest. Because a wedding planner or event manager, he might organize a lot of events in a year. So the volume of business expected from our team member like event manager, wedding planner is lesser than the guest. Not only that reason, we don't go into others' business. We don't provide. All our drivers, they will not have our business cards in the car unless and until the wedding is directly handled by us. And we can promise that.
I'll put a classic scenario. For example, now we are doing an event together, and you are supplying me some 50 to 60 vehicles.
Yes.
Okay. It so happens that you are in direct connect with the client, and you build up a relationship. Now, this is my client for many years.
Okay.
Now, when I go for my next business, the client says, I will talk to Shaktivel directly. You can stay out of it. So what happens in this scenario? I have lost an opportunity of business now. So would you tell the client that, no, sir, you please go through Mr. Santosh, or you will say, no, you come to me. I will take care of your needs.
No, sir, I have not faced like that situation till now. But as far as our individual customers, we have given vehicle to other travels B2B. In that situation, that client, they will be happy with our driver, our vehicle, and if they get some number.
You have not gone through a situation, but we have gone through a situation like this. I'm sure many of the other planners who are here and event managers must have gone through this situation.
Yes.
I can see Rajmohan laughing. So, what would happen in a scenario like this? Would you support the event manager, or you would directly say it's a business
So
option?
100%, I will support the event manager, sir. I have supported.
Because this is the fear today in the event industry and the conference industry and MICE industry, where vendors try to start approaching clients after we do all the spade work.
Yes, 100%, sir. Sir, you're very much clear. To be frank, first thing we should be clear is building relationship with the client. Once we are fixed with, he will not go. If at all, he's going with other, like a car rental guy, he's coming to me directly also. If I know I was working with him before, for example, you are the event manager, I will not entertain him to come directly to me.
So suppose I give you another flip side. Now, suppose I say, okay, Shaktived sir, I am also not getting the business because you have gone directly. Would the event manager or wedding planner or the organizer stand to get some kind of incentive out of this, maybe a 10 or 15% as a commission for having put you on? Like you see how other multi-level marketing works, no?
Whether we do, sir. We do 100%. We do. We give a best price. For example, sir, you have taken a conference. You have completely taken a conference, including logistic, transportation, hospitality, everything. We give a best price to you. The client price is different. You can quote the client the normal market price. We give you a lesser price than the market price. That way, we support you.
Okay, great. Thanks.
That is for example B2B price. We give
another situation now. We do a lot of direct billing with vendors to the customer. Would you pad us up when you do this for us?
Sorry, sir, I cannot.
When I say pad up, would you take our interest into account when I say, Shakti sir, I would like you to bill directly? Because otherwise, what happens is the double GST that comes into play.
Yes.
So you are putting a GST to me, I have to put a GST to the client. Now I tell, since we are all working very closely in an association and a chapter, I can directly put you onto a client. And would you take care of my business interest by making sure that my margins are covered by you?
Yes, sir, sure, 100%. Sir. We can raise the invoice with your price, no problem.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
கேள்விகள் இங்கிலீஷ்ல மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும்ல, தமிழ்லயும் இருக்கலாம். தமிழ்ல கேள்வி கேட்கணும்னாலும் கேட்கலாம்.
John, I think there's some question in the chat box.
Yes, sir. There is a. I think it's not.
I usually follow this referral. Something is put here. I think this is.
This is not so much a question, sir. This is just
okay. Sorry, I'm not able to read it.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions?
Anybody else? Any other questions?
Have you faced any challenges, Shakti sir?
Yes, sir.
With an event manager, and how have you handled it? For example, a situational problem. For example, at the airport, the event manager is not there. He gives you the business. Yeah. Have you faced any kind of issues on site and?
Sir, not in events actually. In lot of destination weddings, we face problem with the event managers. So the event managers, they will not give the complete clarity about who is coming, what is the guest name, what is the guest number, what is the time of flight, everything. They will not share with us. They will just right away book. I want 20 hours at this time at airport, and the event managers, they don't appoint well-trained coordinators also at the airport. This problem we are facing in each and every destination wedding. And the last wedding season, I have made clear with my client that You have to share all the details. Arrival and departure details should be given prior 2 days before of the event. Then only we can prepare for this, and we don't want to rely on your event manager or his coordinators, because finally they put the blame on us. The vehicle didn't come at the right time, the driver was not cooperative, everything they blame on us, because we have challenged in the airports for the vehicle to come from the parking to the pickup area. They don't educate their clients. If the task is given to us, we plan according to it. Each and every event manager, wedding planners especially, not event managers, wedding planners, they are doing the same thing for us. We are facing challenges.
Do you help them do the itinerary?
Yes, sir. 100%. Sir.
Do you help them?
Yeah.
Okay. Because not every event manager will have enough resources in his office to do multiple jobs like this.
Yes,
So
yes.
would you be able to support the event manager or wedding planner?
If they are ready, if they are willing, if they are ready to work with us, we help in all the resources we have.
For example, when we did a conference together at CTC, you were handling the logistics and you were directly dealing with the client, if you remember Sono Summit.
Yes, sir.
So I'm asking a scenario, would you do the complete itinerary and then give?
Yeah. For that, we did, sir, actually. Your team helped me a lot in that situation. And after the second...
So what happens in the scenario is I had a staff to support you, but what happens in the scenario, the staff is not there. I don't have a staff. I'm not able to depute a staff. What would you do in that case? Would you help us out?
Yeah, we have teams, sir. We have team. We were working for that only. If you give the responsibility to us, I'll take it in the right way. That no problem, sir. Because we are working round the clock. We have late night pickups. We have early morning drops. Everything we are having. So we depute people for each and every location. We ensure that every pickups are done. I just a small thing. We just tell our drivers to take a photo. Once the arrival, we make the guest happy. We ensure that each and every pickup is done in the right time. If the flight timing is delayed, also we have options. As I told you, if the flight is cancelled, the flight time is delayed, also we have options to manage the situation. So if you give the responsibility to us, we take it in the right way to design the itinerary, as you said, and we help you also. We help the event managers also.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Will there be any cost in that? Will there be added to the existing cost? Is there any addition of cost?
No, sir. We charge for coordinators, sir. We charge usually 100%. We charge for coordinators depending upon the venues. Everything comes within the coordinator's charge. We don't charge extra. We charge for coordinators because we have team. We have trained team who is going to handle it. If the multiple locations are there, we have to appoint a trained staff there, trained coordinators to handle the situation. For the coordinators alone, we charge. That's all.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. And it's 42 minutes, sir.
Any other questions?
So this is Suraj from Stage 3, Delhi.
Yes, sir.
There is one question actually. Actually, this comes from my family. We have a travels business, tours and travels business up in north in Uttarakhand.
Okay.
Tours and travels, and there are a lot of foreigners that my family caters to, right? So just wanted to check that many of them, they would like to visit like South India in Chennai. So have you been able to associate with tours and travel operators from North India? How was your experience, and how does that work? Like, in case if somebody wants to associate with you or talk to you about it.
Yeah, sir. It's mainly depend upon the quality of the vehicle, the type of vehicle they require, and the cost mainly. The three sectors, when tour operators from North India or across India, they call us for any requirement. First, they are specific about the price and the type of vehicle. We give them clarity in each and everything. We give them clarity in the price, what is the vehicle going to come, what is the type of vehicle, what is the condition of the vehicle, everything we give them. And in such way, we take the next level that if they are comfortable, we know who is the client, actually is international client or domestic bidder. We give the same type of service. We provide drivers with complete knowledge of destination. We have excellent vehicle, excellent maintained vehicles. We have drivers with more than 10 years experience who have knowledge in destination. And this is the way we take the next level. And as same how we are servicing here, we partnership with travel agencies across India. As you said, in Uttarakhand, we have our tour operators also there. and we only give business to them.
Okay.
Yeah. If you have any requirement in South India, you can just contact me.
Yeah, definitely. There are a lot of foreigners who actually during the summer breaks or the winter breaks, they would like to go to South India, visit South India. So
Yeah.
I'm sure like the drivers over there, they have been able to drive. They have experience of driving all across India.
Yeah, we provide car rental solutions for South tourism for very big corporate companies like South Tourism, Panikar Tours. Everybody, we provide car rental here. So we know the standard of vehicles to be maintained for the clients, and we can help you also with business. We can collaborate and we can do business.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
John, there's a question, John.
Yes, sir. Santosha, please go ahead.
In the chat box, there's a question. John, in the chat box, there's a question, John. John? John, there is a question in the chat box.
I'll use this question. This is a question that by Mr. Tamizaran. I usually follow this referral incentive when a client bypass my event manager and approach me. I know if I ask client to come through event manager, they will neither go there not come to me. So I inform my event manager about this and pay them a referral. It has worked a lot of times, not come to me. So basically, it's like a suggestion.
It's the next question. I'm talking about the next question. That's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
a question. It's just a thing. It's not a question.
Yes.
Krish Kumar is a question. Suraj, you can take Krish's question now. Suraj. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You've forgotten Krish's question.
Santosh sir, I think the question must have been put to you privately.
Oh, privately? Okay.
Privately, sir. It's not showing
Sorry,
here.
okay. I read the thing here for events where there are multiple event managers quoting. Is it a single cost you provide to all event managers, or is there preferential? I'm sorry, I'm not able to read. Is a
I'll tell
policy?
sir. No, sir. Basically, we have a B2B price for all event managers, wedding planners, everything. We have a basic price, B2B price. In case of long relationship, we further cut down our prices for the event managers or wedding planners whom we are working constantly. Basically, we have a specific B2B price for all the wedding planners, event managers, everybody.
What happens if I'm the first event manager who comes to you and you give me a cost, for example, 2,000 rupees for an Innova car? I like the question with Krish, are very important because you give me 2,000. Now, for example, somebody else from our chapter is going to come and meet you for the same business. He might not know that I've already bid it, but you know that I've bid it for the same client. Will you quote 1,008 or will you quote the same 2,000?
2,000 is my...
Because he's your regular customer. The X person is your regular customer. He's been giving you repeated orders. But I am coming to you for the first time with the business. So you quote me 2,000. When X party comes who's doing a regular business with you, will you quote him 1,008 or you'll tell him, no, I've already quoted. I will not give you a quote.
If I know he is asking the price for the same event, then I'll just tell him that I have already quoted this price. If I come to know that he is asking the price for the same event or for the same client, I'll just 100% I'll just tell him that I have quoted this price and this is my final price. And moreover, we have our cost price also. So we are very much strict to it.
We have time for one more question. That will be the last question for the day. If anybody would like to take it, feel free.
Shaktil sir,
Yes, sir.
what do you think the challenges you are going to face in coming days, and what is your plan for that?
Yeah. After the breakdown is open, the first challenge we have is drivers. right now, all 90% of drivers in Chennai are everybody are not from Chennai. They have come from various parts of the state, right? Before this situation happened, everybody have gone to their hometown, and we are not sure that how many of them are going to come back. Now we have 32 drivers. In that, only 2 drivers are staying right now, and 30 drivers have gone to their hometown. This is the situation for all our travel agents, car rental guys in Chennai, and we are not sure that how many drivers are going to turn down. If they are coming or not, also we have to handle the situation once the bookings have started. We should make sure that our vehicles are ready with the driver. So we have planned accordingly. We are speaking to the drivers who are working with us. We are just in contact with them, and we very much believe in that everybody will come back, because everybody are in very critical situation without any work, any money, everything. So if anything happens, also we have a plan to operate. We have own-come drivers in Chennai with more than 30 to 40% of vehicles there. Own-come drivers with good quality vehicles and quality service, and we will manage the situation with them, who are previously working as a driver and now they have bought a vehicle. And
one last question: how do you handle insurance for your drivers in case
for
of
all
any
my
emergency?
drivers, we have insured. We have taken accident policy for 1,270 rupees yearly once. If they are with us, once the driver comes to us, we take. He's a permanent driver with us. I take a no objection certificate from the COP. It is
What
not
about the guest traveling? What about guest traveling?
So vehicles are already insured. Vehicles are already 100% insured.
Do you
Apart
do-
from, yes sir.
Do you do whiteboard also?
Yeah, we have whiteboard also.
So whiteboard, the guest is not insured under whiteboard, right? Then how do you do it?
90% of the situation we don't provide whiteboard, but if it's the situation also the same thing, we cannot separately insure for the guest.
Okay.
But as far as tourist vehicles, all vehicles are fully insured, including the driver. And the whiteboard, in case we are putting, not all type of vehicles cannot be provided in whiteboard. Only Innova and Cristas can be provided in whiteboard. That is the vehicle we provide whiteboard also. That is also not big volumes. Okay.
Thank you, Secretary sir, for this.
Thank you, sir.
Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our second webinar from the ESA Tamil Nadu chapter. I thank Bharani sir and Bharani Tours and Travels for the presentation made today. I also would like to thank all the participants, people who have taken time to attend this webinar. We are going to have webinars every day if we can help it, if provided more people come forward to utilize this time effectively. We are keeping this open not only for our chapter members, but also for other people within the events community. We want to use this opportunity. We want you to use this opportunity to let everybody know within especially our Chennai and Tamil Nadu community, the services that you are providing, so that people from anywhere can look to turn to your products and services when things start to open up again. I hope you will all be interested in making use of this opportunity. Presentation Englishல தான் கொடுக்கணும்னு கட்டாயம் கிடையாது. உங்களால தமிழ்ல கொடுக்க முடியுமா இருந்தா தமிழ்ல கொடுங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்லைடு வச்சு கொடுக்க முடியும்னா ஒரு ஸ்லைடு வச்சு கொடுங்க. ஸ்லைடே கிடையாது, நீங்க பேசி தான் உங்க கம்பெனியை பத்தி உங்களால பிரசன்டேஷன் கொடுக்க முடியுமா இருந்தா தயவு செய்து அப்படியாவது பண்ணுங்க. இது எல்லாருக்கும் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு ஈக்குவல் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. We have 1 hour's time. இந்த 1 hour-ம் வந்து ஒரே ஆள் எடுத்துக்கணுன்ற கட்டாயம் கிடையாது. உங்களுக்கு அவ்வளவு தேவையில்லை, அவ்வளவு டைம் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படின்னு நினைச்சீங்களா இருந்தா we will add multiple people. 2 பேர் 3 பேர் கூட அந்த 1 மணி நேரத்தை யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி பிரிச்சு கொடுக்கலாம். எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது, வாய்ப்பை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. I once again thank Bharani sir, and I thank all the other people who have come forward to make use of this time in the coming days. Looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow.
What is tomorrow's session, John?
Yes, sir.
What is tomorrow's session? Presenting?
Tomorrow's session is going to be by Mr. Srinivasan Balaraman of Sri Visual Systems. That is going to start at 11 o'clock tomorrow. And again, that session would probably be the only session for tomorrow. following that, we have time for the day after that, and if people are
That
interested,
is being taken by Mr. Wilfred of Let's Go Holidays. No, Let's Go Holidays. Yeah.
Okay. So as everybody can see, people are stepping forward and taking or making use of the time that we are offering. Don't feel shy. Wait பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காதீங்க, அப்புறம் பண்ணலாம்னே. இப்போதான் வாய்ப்பு. தயவு செய்து use this opportunity and make sure that more people come to know about your business.